G'day cocktail lovers, this is my version of a Paloma, a classic tequila cocktail. I was inspired to make it because I made this cordial. This is an all-natural grapefruit cordial and it's quite easy to make. It's basically peel a grapefruit, cover the peel in sugar. The sugar will draw the oils out of the peel and liquefy, and then I juiced the actual grapefruit, added the juice back in. Now I did simmer it on the stove to make sure the sugar completely dissolved, but then you've got an all-natural cordial. So it's not just juice and sugar, it gets the oils out of the peel as well, which gives it a really much deeper flavor and more interesting texture as well. Also, fun fact, the tequila I'm using, I got this recently. This is the first time I'm using it in a cocktail. I'd forgotten it was 55% ABV, 110 proof. This is trouble in a bottle. This is waking up in a bathtub filled with ice and a scar where your liver should be, or your kidneys, and you've got a wedding ring on that you did not have on yesterday. This is a lost time tequila. But you know what? For you, I'm willing to risk it. I've made it a highball, lots of ice, should provide some dilution so it doesn't completely wipe me out. But I'm going to give it a taste. Really good and tangy grapefruit flavor in there, and the tequila character really comes through as well. I'll show you how I made it. In a shaker, put 2 ounces or 60 mils of Blanco tequila, then half an ounce or 15 mils of lime juice. Then I'm adding 2 ounces of my grapefruit cordial, rounding things out with a few drops of saline solution to make the flavors pop. Add ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink. And then I'm doing a dirty dump into a highball, and I'm garnishing that with a dehydrated lime wheel. And of course, if there's any extra room in the glass, you top it with soda water. It is somewhat traditional with Palomas to use a grapefruit soda, but because I used my grapefruit cordial, which is quite a strong flavor, I just used plain soda water with the topping of this. But you go with what you like. But this is a very tall, cold, refreshing drink, which I will take slowly because of that high proof tequila in there. Damn, and it's a big bottle. It's a 1 liter bottle. This is not a 700 ml bottle. I know the least about the agave spirits compared to all the other spirits. I saw this was decently rated and it was on a great special where I got it. It's like, hell, big ass bottle of tequila, high proof. This is gonna last me a while. Or, you know, you'll read about me in the papers on websites that carry obituaries. I don't know. I'm going to sit down and do this in moderation. Like I say, sip it slowly, got to take care, and I hope you're taking care wherever you are. I hope to see you again sometime soon for another cocktail. Until I do, I'll say cheers.